Are you looking to make some extra cash without leaving your house? Here are a few ways to make money online. Firstly, you can take up freelance work such as writing, graphic design, or web development. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer offer a wide variety of projects for freelancers. Another option is to participate in online surveys and get paid for your opinions. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback and are willing to pay for it. Additionally, you can sell your handmade crafts, vintage items, or unique products on websites like Etsy or eBay. If you're a skilled teacher, consider offering online tutoring services for subjects like math, science, or language. Lastly, you can start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize your content through advertisements and sponsorships. Making money online is possible with dedication and a bit of creativity. So why not start exploring these options today and turn your online presence into a lucrative source of income?